Even though it was a cameo, it was like wow. Also like Ranveer doing the whole
I
"Aaja meri
enjoyed
gaadi mein
it.
baith
Yeah,
ja"
yeah.
thing.
I
with
imagine
Alia.
मेरा ही गाना था वो.
Yes.
One of my most favorite directors of all time, Karan Johar movies. So he knows his cinema. He knew exactly who I was and what was my body of work. So he's like, Sheba will do it. He was like, first and foremost, you need to check with her whether she would be comfortable doing something that bold. Very keen to work with Alia, who's one of the finer actors of this generation. She's doing amazing work. She herself was part producer as well. That fun wala time hamara tha. Hi, this is Sheba. You're watching me on Midday.
Hello everyone, this is Ocean Fernandez for Midday.com, and today we are in conversation with Sheba Sabir. When you guys take them for a walk, do they all go together?
Yeah.
And does that grab attention?
Oh yeah, all the children of the building absolutely adore the kids. So the kids have always spent a lot of time with children. I encouraged it from the day they were born and they came home. Hence, they never bite. Of course, I don't allow any rough child to be around my children because that's how you raise a rowdy kid, and you raise a rowdy dog as well. If your kid in the house is pulling their tail or pulling their fur, I would not allow that. But gentle playing, of course. So they're very popular in the entire area. I think now they're pretty popular all over the world because of their page. They have a way more viral and active page than I do. My dogs are more famous than me, and I'm happy about it.
Speaking of that, you come from an era. I mean, you have been a star of your time, and now you're obviously transitioning back to
Now
movies.
I'm a star of their lives.
Yes. But now, because of them, you are, everyone is talking about you as well. But coming to the movies, we saw Jigra recently, and it was fabulous. You and your husband both. It took a while for us to figure out. I'm like, okay, they are together. So, how was that experience? I mean, doing this movie?
So I did just before I did this movie, I did Rocky
Rocky
Rani.
Rani.
So that was kind of dipping my feet in the water kind of a time, because I came back after 2 decades of being away from the limelight. I was busy bringing up my own kids and busy rescuing pets and loving pets and doing my own life away from the limelight. And then at some point of time, the kids are self-sufficient, aren't you all? And my boys are well settled now. So I thought it was time to come back to work.
And come back and how? I mean,
come
we
back.
saw Rocky Rani and everyone was stunned. I mean, even though it was a cameo, it was like wow. Also like Ranveer doing the whole
I
"Aaja meri
enjoyed
gaadi mein
it.
baith
Yeah,
ja"
yeah.
thing.
I
with
imagine
Alia.
मेरा ही गाना था वो.
Yes.
From my movie. So for me it was like, oh yeah.
And there were articles everywhere, like, did you notice this? Did you notice this? Do you remember Sheba? How was that? Was it overwhelming?
It was, because I chose to come back with a movie which is one of my most favorite directors of all time, Karan Johar movies. So, हाँ baby, who's at the door? Okay.
So coming to the movies, I mean, you were saying that, working with Karan, how was that?
Oh my god, it was such a surreal experience. Ek to working in Dharma is only so amazing because it's like the most professional and the most amazing production. Upar se working with all these stalwarts and Ranveer Singh, who is like a mad live wire. Dharamji, so senior and like such an iconic, like a fangirl moment. And Karan, that was my main purpose. Ki Karan Johar is directing, I have to.
How did you guys meet? Like, how did you agree to come onto this project?
So he did. I had at that point of time begun sending feelers out that I would like to do something. So when he heard my name, he was like, "Yeah, of course I know." So people like Karan have a great knowledge of cinema. So it's not as if he's like one of those new fangled executives who will say, "Sheba, who Sheba? What has she done?" There are those. You meet those also. So he knows his cinema. He knew exactly who I was and what was my body of work. So he's like, Sheba will do it. So then he sent his people over to ask me a few questions, because originally in the film it was supposed to be a lip-to-lip kiss, which eventually didn't happen. So he was like, first and foremost, you need to check with her whether she would be comfortable doing something that bold.
Yes.
So I thought about it, and then I heard the whole sequence. So I thought about it, I discussed it with Akash. So we both were like, Then we said, "Arey, it's a funny thing. It's nothing serious. It's not some sleazy passion, you know."
Yeah.
So we're like, okay, let's just go ahead with it. It was my good luck, maybe that didn't happen. It was already the peck became such a big issue.
Yeah.
I was like, yikes, we're still not ready, are we, in this, in our kind of genre of cinema? Because I thought it all was very cute. The entire movie I thought was too cute.
And returning with Jigra, obviously,
Yes.
another round two with Dharma.
Yeah.
How was that? I mean, is it because of the rapport?
Other than that, other than the rapport, again, very keen to work with Alia, who's one of the finer actors of this generation. She's doing amazing work. She herself was part producer as well. And Vasan Bala, very different vibe as a director. He thinks out of the box. So, and then first time in my life, Akash, when I met him, was a director. That's how we met. He directed me in 2 movies. Acting was something that he perchanced upon during COVID. Just like when friends called him and said, "Ye role kar de," Shah Rukh called, or somebody said, "Kar le ek din ka." So that's how he just chanced upon it. So then to be with him in the project I was quite tickled pink.
It must have been fun on the set. I mean,
It was very relaxed. I don't know fun or not, but it was relaxed. That fun wala time hamara tha. When I was full-fledged into cinema, at that point of time, doing movies was a picnic.
but ma'am, you did a full-fledged movie with Salman
Yeah,
back
of
then.
course.
And what are your memories from back in the day?
So that's what I'm saying. It was so much more fun and so much more casual, the approach to filmmaking. There was such a family vibe on the set constantly. We weren't working with mad deadlines. Like today, I was saying one of the major differences is the timelines. People now, when they sign a film, they know exactly what the release date is, which was unheard of in our times. We would just wing it. Okay, when they find the people to sell it to the distributors, that blah blah blah, that chain will happen, then it will get released. So we don't know whether it will happen 6 months later or 6 years later. So we were all much more relaxed. I think we would vibe a lot more. There would be like a very family atmosphere. Everybody would know everybody's problems and hang around, and we didn't have things like makeup vans. So we would like be relaxing in our cars on an outdoor shoot, for example. Or if we are, for example, I was shooting in Manali with Sunil Shetty and I needed to change somewhere, we were far. We actually went and knocked on doors of people's homes and said, "Can we just go and change?" So it was I think filmmaking was much more like fun.
Are you still in touch with anyone
So
from your
when
previous
I meet
films?
my previous co-stars, we're very warm to each other because we've done like so much work together. When I meet, like now we're like very warm and everything, but I'm not like, because I lost touch with the whole industry in the last 2 decades. So now when I meet them, I'm like chatty and stuff, but I didn't really keep in touch. Really busy with my own family.
Now you're like fully back in the game.
Yes.
And are you looking for better roles, meatier roles probably?
So I also come to the realization with hindsight, which is 2020. Okay, when I was a heroine, my focus was always main lead. And choti film koi baat nahi, but role women centric hona chahiye. Now I realize it's better to be a very tiny part of a huge project rather than be a big part of a project that will not see the light of the day and will have unknown makers and unknown actors. Of course, it would be the icing on the cake if I got great parts, but I'm not going to hold my breath. I'm just going to do what excites me in terms of production houses and makers, exciting people who I know will make something which will make me proud, even if I'm got just a really tiny part, and I'm just going to go and do it.
Awesome. And that's a wrap.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.